Hello and welcome to MoreBikes. We're out in Sardinia for the launch of Moto Guzzi's new V85 TT. We spent the day today doing sort of 150 kilometres across an eclectic mix of roads. And on first impressions, I've got to say I'm hugely impressed with the new machine. So there's two models to choose from. There's the dual colour scheme, comes with Michelin tyres, so slightly more off-road ready. And then the standard colour scheme, which is single colour, comes with Metzeler Tolerances. It's a slight difference in price, about 300 quid between the two. Sort of Guzzi's first foray into the adventure market for a little while. The Stelvio 1200 was killed by Euro 4, and essentially this is based on the V85 sort of Dakar bike from the mid-80s. Moto Guzzi are calling this essentially like a classic adventure, classic enduro machine, which you can obviously see from the styling. But despite its sort of modern retro appearance, it's surprisingly well kitted out. So you've got cruise control, TFT dash, and loads of lovely little features. The dash in particular, it's fantastic. There's obviously low sunlight here in Sardinia. Didn't have a problem seeing it at all. Powered by a Moto Guzzi 90° 853cc V-twin. Punchy, loads of torque, sounds absolutely fantastic. If you get an opportunity to ride one, I would wholeheartedly recommend it. If you're after more information about the bike, check out the full review in the next issue of Motorcycle Sport and Leisure. It'll also follow up in Motorcycle Monthly slightly after that. But stay tuned for more from MoreBikes.